Morning, everybody. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. The oil trade I placed the other day that was negative for a few days. It's now in the money. I'll show you why and how long I'll hold that for. The AUD USD trade that was negative for a long time got in the money for a while. I'm testing out and make sure it's going to bounce up, hit the daily, holding that. Let's see, the gold trade that was negative just for like a half a day, I think, is now positive, strong. The US 30 trade from yesterday is, well, here. I'm trying to show things for people on TikTok and YouTube. It's really hard so TikTokers can see it. Yesterday on 7/17, placed this trade live with you guys, shot straight up through the moon. US oil was the day before. That stayed negative for a little bit. It's positive. Gold trade was negative for a few days. It's positive. This trade, US 30 buy, went right in the money. US 30 buy went right in the money. AUD was negative for, I swear, on and off for like 2 weeks. Then it's in the money. The NAS went straight up in the money. Yes, I'm still holding the NAS. Even though it's dropping, I have my take profit locked in. I'm holding it. I'll explain why and how. If you haven't noticed, I've been trying to show the trades I'm in the beginning of every live, or almost every live. I show the trades as I place them, and I show the trades every morning. Currently have a sell stop in place for SPX to go to its 15-minute blue line. Based off this, play any 15-second, 30-second sell stop on US 30 NAS and SPX until the 15-minute blue line is hit on SPX. I'll look at those in detail in a second. Oh, shoot, fire. I never even verify everybody's here and we're on. Are we live on YouTube? Let's see. I just jumped right into this shit. All right, already made call outs for SPX, NAS, and US 30. That's funny. Nope, I didn't even set everything up yet. Oh, shit. Jumping ahead. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Hold on 1 second. Let me get the YouTube channel set up. Trading through open. Please don't talk in here until I'm done. Delete. Today's date is the 18th, I believe I said. Thursday. We have someone coming in cleaning the house. All right. Control A, delete. It's a clown world. Anybody else think we're like in the upside down? Like an upside down world? Whatever used to be right is wrong. I swear, when you deal with some of these people, you're like, what in the world is going on? In a Barbie's world, life's fantastic. Life's fantastic. Okay, Control A, Control V, and I think we're done. Save. I do believe we're live on TikTok, but I don't know that yet. We're definitely live on YouTube. In a Barbie's world, was fantastic. Cell stop. Play any 15-second, 30-second cell stop, 1 minute cell stop, 5, 10-minute cell stop until the 15-minute SPX line is hit for US 30 and NAS also. Yes, we are live. Live on TikTok, live on Twitter, and live on YouTube. No, live on Twitch and live on YouTube. What's up, Farm Guy? What's up, D Nice? What's up, Rich OBX? Good morning. It's my time. It's my time. Now or never. These songs are brought to you by the worst singing in the history of the world. What's up, Glow? Mike Lewinsky is number one. Number one, Victor Von Misha Handsome. Okay, I slaughtered that, but if anyone knows what show that's from, he was number one. What's up, Jason Roby? JTF6. Good morning, good morning, good morning. D Nice, good morning. Steve Holloway. What's up, Jason McCain? Good morning, sir. Jay Parker. Nathan Homer, Mr. C. Mr. C, where you been? I missed you. I made money on gold. I'm done for the day. And then he keeps trading, Mr. C. Thank you for being on the boat. Yes, we have been for going on 16 years accelerated over the last 3. What the fuck's that, Globe? What are you trying to say? We've known each other for 48 years? What's up, Orlando Walters? What's up, Andrew Froho? Frejo? Okay, I slaughter people's names. I do apologize for that. Some people get offended by that shit. I can only do what I can do. I mean, no ill will towards that. In the screwy world, life's fantastic. Life's fantastic. In the honey. Oh, the upside down. Oh, I thought you were talking about how long we knew each other, which is pretty much the upside down. Me and Glow got a little. Uh, we had fun when we were younger, didn't we, Mike? When me and Mike were in high school, we had some. We had some Bill and Ted excellent adventures. Glow, you got any stories you want to share? Anybody? You can write it out. You got anything you want to tell anybody about me as we were growing up together? That'd be funny. I don't know what Glow will say. You probably have to keep them at least PG. Glow. Don't tell them any. Good morning, Matt Parker. Yes, we did. Very fond memories. Oh Lord. If we weren't getting in fights, we were getting drunk. If we weren't getting drunk, we were eating pizza, getting drunk. If we weren't eating pizza, getting drunk, getting in fights. Oh no, we went fishing a lot. Just hung out. Morning, Stefan. I should have Glow call in one day. Although Glow used to be a man of very few words. I don't know how Mike would like to be on air or not. Yeah, sorry. I've just been helping out a friend on a business project, but still keeping an eye on the wires. Nice, Mr. Steele. It's very nice of you. Thank you for helping your friend out. But I did notice you were gone. See, you guys don't know, but I keep track of y'all. Who's coming and who's going? I do. I do. In a Barbie's world, life's fantastic. Yeah, no, life's not perfect. I know a lot of you think, oh, life's perfect. Kev has a little money, life's perfect. Yeah, it's what you focus on. I can focus on a whole bunch of shit and be real negative and be a complete douche. Right now, I'm just a little douche. Or you can focus on the good stuff in your life and you have, grateful for everything you have. And all of a sudden, life's a little better. What's up, Builder Las Vegas? We're heading back to Vegas. And no, we're not going to meet any of you in Vegas. Nothing personal. It's Builder Gladys. I always say his name is Builder Vegas. So don't ask. We're not going to meet any of you while we're in Vegas. Nothing personal. I'm a very, very private person. I don't even show my face on here. We built a hugely successful, I mean, huge, thousands of people have bought the system. Hundreds of people are now in the signal service. And I've showed my face like for 2 weeks in the beginning of this year trying to do something. I can't stand when people see me. I don't want to be famous. I want nothing to do with it. This, if I put my big old fat head up here and dressed in a suit and tie and bought a cheap helicopter and got a big old house on a lake, I could have 10 times the amount of people, 100 times the amount of people. I'm not flexing like that. I don't give two fucks about any of that thing. If you guys want to put God first and then your family, you're my type of people. If you want to fly around in stupid ass helicopters, then you ain't me. You can, I don't care, but no, I'm not part of that. And where the hell's Thomas Arnon been? He's supposed to be getting me a private jet eventually. Good morning, Larry Cooper. If everybody can go to TikTok from YouTube, I'd appreciate it. In a bar, sell stop, SPX, NAS, and US 30. Play any 15-second through 15-minute sell stop until SPX hits the 15-minute blue line. I've said that several times. Do not come back and say, hey, I'm wondering about what trade you called. Well, I've called it probably 5 times already. In a Barbie's world, life's fantastic. Life's fantastic. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Take a look. See our charts. Past it. Past it. Past it. Boom. 15 seconds through 3 minutes sell stop until I don't know if US 30 will hit it. Towards the 3 minute blue line for US 30. Forming. Hey, and I called this out yesterday, didn't I, peeps? Come on. Give it up. Give it up for the home team. Look, you don't believe me? Here's my call out. Buy stop. Yet, hey, what the fuck date is this? What day is today? Maybe I put down the wrong date. No, today is the 18th. No, that was fucking yesterday. I put down the wrong date here. I'll live with that, but that's the wrong date. I called that yesterday, obviously. And look what you caught. You caught almost every pip. Okay, let me put it another way. You made the most fucking money you could possibly make on US 30, other than maybe two pips, $2. Everything else you made you caught everything humanly possible on US 30. Come on, guys. Sevens, that was a pretty damn impressive fucking call. If it's a 9, get the fuck off my channel because you don't know what you're talking about. It was an amazing call yesterday, done live. To me, it looks like it's going to do it all over again. That's just me. We'll see. Buy stop. 1 hour, US 30. Today. Today. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Filio. What's up, Image Looper? Good morning, Gladex. Gladex? Me and you. And then I'm gonna get Big Chris. Then we get Cairo. Big Chris. I never talked to you about it. He's my best friend, one of my best friends, and he's my business partner. I still love him. Great man. I've known him since he was 15 years old, and he's now, I think he's now fucking, what the hell's 1985? Pushing 40? Well, whatever. He's 300 pounds, has abs, strong as a, can bench 500, strong as a fucking mule. And Gladex, I can backtrack your IP. No, I'm just teasing. But it's time, bro. You got to get the system. I swear to God. Who's still holding US 30? I am all over the damn place. I still have 3 US 30 trades open, including one from yesterday. What's up, Damien? I guess you're holding it too, it looks like. What's up, Matt? Stefan said, Gladex says, beautiful trade. Thank you, Gladex. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Aero, even bigger than he is, doesn't have abs. His brother Brandon, even bigger than he is. He's 6'7". Cairo's 6'5". Chris is 6'1", 300 pounds. And these guys do anything because we help each other out over years. I did anything for them for decades. They would do anything for me for decades. That's how you roll down here in the South. We, yeah. I used to own 3 gyms, and I used to be 5'11", 255, 250, and now I hit 184 the other day. It's like, holy fuck, where is all my size gone? Oh well, is what it is. As long as I can throw around 315 like it's air, I don't give 2 fucks. I'm holding my strength. Well, a little. I used to do 405 for sets of 3. All natural, by the way. Fuck taking any of that shit. Never would take that shit. I was a vegetarian, by the way. Strict vegetarian at the time. Chris always said if I ate meat, I would be benching 555 instead of 455. I wouldn't eat it. Chris is meant to hold weight. I can't hold weight like that. Wasn't healthy. Very good morning. What's up, Banner Video? Very good morning to you. God bless each and every one of you. For US 30, says Damien. Yep. 500 pounds, raw, natural, without any wraps, wrist wraps, no shirts, no nothing. Chris just lays down in a t-shirt and benches 500 pounds. Another buy entry. Yeah, we just said that, Damien. Damien's tired this morning. No, Damien must just be arriving. I was just pointing out how it's doing what it did yesterday all over again. Almost $100 an ounce on gold. Coach been holding since. Nice, Andrew. Sorry. Just wish I would have had those Pilates we talked about yesterday, but I'm doing okay. Okay, I guess so. $100 an ounce on gold should retire you, bro. No, if you hold it. Morning, Johan. Yeah, Chris. Chris, quite the man. He's a good man, good heart. Da, da, da. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4. Sorry, you guys got to relive my past some days, and you always have to take my singing. Was I singing when I was fasting? I'm trying to think. I don't think I was singing much when I was fasting. Now that I'm eating, you guys got me back. Because now when I fast for a couple of days, I won't even probably tell you. After the next week or 2, I'm already done. I'm not going to eat this morning. I'm going to go back to probably 4-hour eating window. But I'm gonna be doing 2 days eating, 2 days not eating. I won't even bring it up. 2 days not eating is the easiest thing on earth. Actually, it would be not eating and not drinking no water. Not as much. In the South, what's up, Philio? I have a IP thing where it changes where I'm from all the time. We do own property in Florida. We do have houses in Alabama and Georgia, and we do have property in Ohio. A lot of the properties are in various LLCs. One's in a trust. Um, and the reason I say it that way is because there's too many fucking psychopaths out there that think that they can IP track me and find things and whatever. And I'm going to give you a hint. Where I live, you could shoot out your back porch or your front window with the shotgun, and no one cares. And I've got several shotguns. Yeah, they don't care in the South. Everybody carries. We have guns in our cars. I sometimes forget to get the guns out of the cars when the guys come to wash the cars. They're like, "What the fuck?" Guns in the house, carry, drive with. I have the most comfortable holster. I'll send it to Glow. It's so nice. Wear that motherfucker anywhere. And that's just for the crazos out there. Who knows? People can't stand when other people are making money, I guess. Stupid fucktards in the world. Why don't you just learn how to trade? Yeah. When I tell you Chris and Pharaoh that I was talking about and Brandon and oh my God, I can name a dozen more. If I ask those guys to do something, boy, I could fly them halfway across the world and they think it was a nice vacation. I have a friend in New York City with a guy, I won't say his real name, let's just call him Joe, who literally um, enforces things for a living. That's his job. If you don't think uh, this is a different conversation, and I'll leave this alone, but it's real. And people, if you have a gambling addiction, I suggest you get help. You don't want to face Joe. He's not a big guy, but Joe, quote unquote, not his name, does not fool around. Joe talks even less than Glow. Joe, uh, nice fella, just super quiet. He's solid build, not overly built or anything, but my God, Lord help you. He literally, there's bookies in New York City. Could you imagine that? And people owe money. And Joe's the person who goes around and makes sure that, that's just what he does for a living. That's his living. Oh my God. Yeah, it's fun in this world. Fuck that. I know exactly how this world is. I used to be on the other side of the world. When I was in high school, shit. I don't know if you guys know what fuzzbusters are. I don't know if you know what. Yeah, I used to have a fun time. I used to be a salesman in high school. Used to work for a Sunoco gas station. I used to be a lifeguard. I used to sell things on the side. Used to be a busboy for a lodge. I always worked. I always made money. I think Glow can tell you a couple times where you know we got into these few issues over the years. It was fun back then. Now, no, I would just end it quickly. Back then, it was just fun. No malice towards anyone, just having a good time. If you grew up a redneck in Ohio, you know exactly what I'm talking about. He's like, what is this motherfucker talking about? If you're from Boston, Massachusetts, you have no clue of what I'm talking about. No offense. The women are like, what is he talking about? Is he talking about fighting? Yes, yes. Just, normal evening. I'd get off of work sometimes at 11 o'clock at night, and that's when you just started drinking and having fun back then. Midnight, just starting. Now, I'm lucky if my eyes fucking stay awake till like 12. It's different. Fun life. Yeah. I didn't mind working 2, 3 jobs. We didn't call it a side hustle back then. Called it fucking surviving. Here's one for you. Want to hear something funny? That was validated with my wife, who is, believing me, but as a lifeguard in 1985, I was making $10 an hour. As a lifeguard in 1985, I was making $10 an hour just for a private campground. And you guys, the minimum wage is like, I don't know, like $7 or $8 an hour. People make $12 an hour. What the hell is $10 an hour now? I was a lifeguard. I started lifeguarding when I was 15 years old. Let's just put it this way. I didn't sleep half the nights over summers. I was up drinking and partying, having a good time all night long. Would go to the pool, it was a water slide pool area, and I would put on my sunglasses or the aviators. I don't know if I was awake most of the time. Hopefully I was. No one ever drowned in my watch. I only had to save one person in my life. But I wasn't the best I could be at those days. I don't know why I'm sharing this. It's just funny to me that nowadays people are making $12 an hour. Back in 1985, I'm making $10 an hour. I just think that's terrible. How in the United States of America is someone supposed to make a fucking living at like $8 an hour, $10 an hour? And yet those same people have the opportunity to learn my system and make unlimited money. Unlimited. They can make gas money for the week, $100 in a week, fill up the car maybe twice. I don't know what Biden's prices, I don't know. But if I would have been given this opportunity back then, I probably would have passed because I would have been drunk out of my mind. College, I would have listened. They said, "What the fuck is this shit?" And I would have learned it. Some people think, and it is true, $60,000 a year job is good. I think the median income in America is $37,000 for a single person working. That's not swell. $65,000 a year. I'm proud of y'all. Um, how do I word this nicely? Just our stores alone on Stan have made in excess of $65,000 a month. A lot of months. Just the stores, not including any trading I'm doing, is what I'm telling you. Yeah. You guys are limiting yourself if you think, 30, 40, 50, $60,000 a year, 70, 80, $100,000 a year. It's good money. I understand everyone's struggling and they can't make ends meet and we can't buy groceries and you can't get food. You can't have a car payment. How the hell are you supposed to pay rent? I get all that. But the reality is, this is the way out of that hellhole. This is the way out of that trap. We have two gentlemen, Sarah, his name on mine, and Billy, that were homeless, and they traded their way out of homelessness with the system. When there's motivation, you can succeed. When there's motivation, you will succeed. If I'd have known about this in high school, I wouldn't have to do any of my side jobs. If I would have known about this, hell, I'd have taken it any. When I was struggling through bankruptcy, I wouldn't have had to gone bankrupt. So no, you can make money trading. You can make money using the system. You can make consistent profits. I've been saying that a lot recently because I mean it. Other than doing God's will here on earth, taking care of my family, my beautiful wife, two children, and so on. Yeah, that's all. You can trade. The whole life mission is to make this trading successful for the average person, so successful for the average person that you can consistently make money. It's easy to have one good trade out of 10. It's much, much harder to make 9 good trades out of 10. And that's what a lot of you guys do too. Being a Harvey's world, nice fantastic. That was a nice, easy 30 something minutes on the treadmill. That's fantastic. I'll have a good, messages. Good morning, Joanne. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. It's just an old man rambling. I can't believe I'm older, but good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Greg. Good morning, Mike Moyhan. Oh, a lot of messages. Right? I sure was. That's funny. I want to live in that place. My neighbors are too close. I can't stand close neighbors, man. Can't stand close. I don't care if they're nice people on earth. You need acreage. You need lots of acreage. Joanne says, yeah, I go to that. Be nice. Pay your dues. Yep, absolutely, Filio. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, Greg. I don't like society we have now. It sucks. No more. Yep, I agree with you, Claydex. That's good money for 85. Well, it was fantastic money for 85 for electric guarding. Yes, man. Good money. It was fantastic money from back then. You ever have to save anyone when you were? Yes, one time. There was some drunk dude who happened to be right below my chair who was struggling. I think it was probably like 6 feet of water as at a lodge. Lodge. I did. Now I was always head lifeguard, chief lifeguard, whatever they call it back then. And yeah, some of my other lifeguards would save people, but I just never only blueberries in Costco. $50. Holy shit, Kleenex. USA is way more expensive than Europe, though. Yeah, we suck. Success stories are the best. Thanks for giving us the opportunity. Yep. Trading for absolutely it is Gladex. Oh, good. So I didn't piss anybody off with those stories. Good. I don't want to offend anyone, but just sharing how my past was. But I did have the two best parents in the history of the world, and a brother and a sister who were the best also. Although my brother Mike that comes on here used to beat my ass so bad, he would get on his knees. He's 4 years older than me, so he'd get on his knees and then like a pillow fight, he'd pull the pillows and pound the ground. And he would do it to my friends. Mike did that so much that one day there was Glow was there. Glow, were you there? It was Glow, me, Jeff Lindsay, Todd, and then yeah, so there was like 3 or 4 of us, probably 4 of us. We got a blanket and jump Mike, and then drop him to the ground and beat the living crap out of him. Then he quit doing that shit. All of us do. What's up, Ori? Good morning, Ori. Ah, shit, what time is it? Any news at 8:30 today? Please say no fucking shitty ass, fucking loser ass fucking news. Damn it. Delivery on its way. Delivery on its way. Boomerang. Let's make money. Let's make money. And we're good. All right, so that's all my emails. In a Barbie's world, life's fantastic. Yes, almost 1 minute. Blue line. Let's see. And going up. It is. Hmm. Could the downright be over? By the way, just so we're all clear on the subject, this is probably what 3 hour these days. Ooh, longer. 4 hours, 7 hours, 12 hour. I would enter a buy stop. What is this? NAS. Today's date. Let's go. I always forget the damn date. 7/18/24. NAS buy stop. 7/18 NAS buy stop. That's all we need. Oh, 12 hour, 12 hour off, 12 hour line off. That's what we'll do. That's fantastic. What the fuck? Where'd the word go? What? Huh? Yo, what? Did I not say? Oh, maybe I hit cancel. Fuck. 18. God dang. 24 NAS by uh off 12 hours. There you go. Gotta drop that bad boy way out there. Not sure what this one is, but whatever it is. I want this. Let me zoom in just. Yeah. As NAS, if it continues to go down, keep grabbing it as it is, right off that green line on NAS 12 hour. If you don't have the green line by the system. In a Barbie's world, let's see how low that is. See, I told you yesterday that as this comes down, price is going to. Boy, SDX has got a way to go. Yeah. All right, let me be even clearer now. Buy stops across all indices, especially you're going to see it on the higher time frames. I'm calling it from the 15-second through daily buy stop. Anyone you see until the pink line touches the blue line. That's how I'll play it. Yeah, I don't give two fucks about the rest. Oh, uh, uh, guess what this is? In a London room, life's fantastic. HG. Some of you thought, oh, I sold the code. No, you didn't. It's code. We've already changed the code 3 times since then, and you only caught the first quarter of it, and it doesn't make any sense because it didn't work. Guess what these are? In a Barbie world, life's fantastic. Life's fantastic. And we got Keith face up. I'm asking him to install it on another screen. Because then we were getting super close to go these days. Boy, yeah. You'll never, the Holy Grail code takes into account multiple symbols, multiple timelines, multiple snipers, multiple actual system itself, actually. It takes into multiple. Holy Grail takes into account for if you're trying to trade NAS or SPX, 6 different symbols. Because what you're seeing is just positive, but there's a negative inverse relationship on 3. So there's 3 positive uh, different symbols and 3 negative different symbols. So the Holy Grail trade is reading all at once, and then it spits out this HG. How beautiful. Force page. Now, who's going to eat this? Who's going to eat this right here? Who's going to take the Holy Grail trade right here and eat 400 pips on SPF? That's fucking huge. I've never seen a 400 stop loss from this. Did it ultimately make money? Oh, wow. Yeah, it still is. See how much money sure time it would have been called. So you'll have me here. 1,100, pips. Well, this was actually 400. Some bitch, man. Yeah, well, 350 anyways. Let's say 400. But yeah, it was right. Here's another one that did it. There'll be 2 different versions of Holy Grail Chase call for you guys. Damn, it is being called out more often than thought. Look at that shit. Wow. In a Barbie's world. It's fantastic. You know, right here. See, we got to tweak a few things here. We got a lot of tweaking to do, so we're getting the shell done. This is strictly for NAS and SPX. We're going to have the Holy Grail, it looks like, for gold also, possibly even GPV, JPY. Yeah, that's this one right here. See, it's missing some. I can see already where there's going to be a couple more Holy Grail trades. What you're looking at on the bottom here is the weekly. So it's taking in consideration the weekly, the daily, the actual buy stop or sell stop itself. Then it's taking in consideration that for 6 different symbols, 3 up and 3 down. And then it spits all that together and comes out with what's called a Holy Grail trade, a trade that shall not miss. No, I'm just teasing. It shouldn't miss. By the time I'm done with my order of operations for Keith the Code, the great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. Once that happens, yeah. Look at this. Yeah, it's going to work beautifully. In a Barbie's world. Nice, fantastic. Nice, fantastic. Where the fuck is it? Yo. Maybe because he put it on direct. Well, that's odd. In a Barbie's world. It's fantastic. in Harvey's world. Oh, now? The fuck? Trading view, hello. Great, blew the fucker up. Good time as any. Not financial advisors. We do have, as far as I'm aware, the only trademark system in the world for trading. It's registered, means it's protected in over 80 countries. We have an NDA with this. Issued to me regarding the name and all associated indicators. It's a class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. That's us. Oh shit. I really did blow things up. Do 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 do. Son of a fuck. Life's fantastic. Life's fantastic. Do 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 do. Life's fantastic. Yeah, motherfucker. We are not financial advisors. You guys are adults. We have a great store. Make your own damn decisions. We only trade the green up and the red down arrows right there. Green up and red down. Please type yes if you understand that. Cool. Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate that. Good morning, Kelly. No news. Thank you, Jay Parker. Thank you, Raider Trader. Thank you, Rory. I appreciate the yes. Now, trading view, I swear. They're funny. I just love them. There. Trading view says there's 6 indicators, only 4 are showing unless you refresh your page. Da 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 da. How stupid. Anyhow. All right, tier 1 and tier 2 people for the signal rooms. Pretty much everybody's in tier 3. But tier 1 and tier 2, let's go over this real quick. We have tier 1 for $150 a month. I doubled up your signals to 10. Tier 2 for $250 a month. I doubled them up to 20. But the problem comes is this. It's a huge problem. 38 signals were issued. What? In a day since the 17. What the fuck? So what we're going to do, does anybody have tier 1 or tier 2 here? Anyone at all? What's up, James? Can you do ES? Yes. Good morning, Kevin. Just caught on you up on your live. You're one of the few that pronounced my last name. That's funny, Bob. I don't know how. I'm the worst pronunciation of my brother can pronounce any doctor work and he's big and fancy doctor lot. Now I don't. So Bob, what's up, Bob? I'm on tier 2. All right, chill on. Here we go. Tier 1. So we've got great news for you. I find tier 1 nearly impossible and tier 2 nearly impossible to use. In the old days, we were just sending out a signal here or there. Now you guys are getting 38 motherfucking signals, which is good, but it's bad. how in the hell? See, three signals? That's cool. So we figured out a possible solution. I don't want everyone to have a cow, but there'll be no more 30-second signals sent out. There's hundreds of those. Let me just tell you, fucking 50 plus messages on those. So tier one, tier three will still get those, they're unlimited. But tier one and tier two, we had to make your trading experience better. I don't like how it was running. So we're going to take away your 30 seconds. And we're going to give you guys an unlimited first time room. That's going to take a minute. Keith is still having some issues because it's a little more complex than we thought as far as the Holy Grail trade goes. But he's going to work on getting everyone, tier one, tier two, tier three, to have what's called the first time, where the first time the weekly, daily fires, you get it. The first time the daily, hourly fires, you get it. Now we can't do it for the 30 seconds though, because it's too many times. But that's what we plan on doing, just the first time room. So we'll call it first time. Should we call it the virgin room, or is that disrespectful? Probably disrespectful. So we'll call it the first timers. Something like that. Does that make sense to you that are in tier one and tier two? I just have to find a way to make it. The system is calling out too many good trades. The system is, in other words, it's calling out signals for 15 symbols. You might not even get one matching signal by the time it's done. Is that crazy? So I had to make this more usable. Me and Bree talked about it extensively last night, and this is the best plan we can come up with. Good morning, Jackson. Johan, how does that sound to you? Rich, how does that sound to you? So in other words, we're taking away the 30-second signals because it's just fucking overwhelming. And we're going to replace that with a unlimited minimum 2 weeks, probably the whole month, an unlimited number of first time signals for the month in tier one and tier two. If we limit it, it would be like at 20, maybe for 2 weeks. Makes sense. Okay, good, Johan. I want you guys to be able to trade using tier one and tier two. There, every one of these 50 plus signals is correct. Let me be clear. But what the fuck? I mean, I don't see how. Now, if you have tier three and you have this on your, and you have, um, yeah, and you have daily, hourly, no, not weekly, daily. Is the lower time frame? Yes. Sorry. Okay. Oh, because I'm on the 1 hour. That's why. But anyway, and you see these signals, right? You can take those signals, you have them on your charts. There's no tier three is the most usable, I swear, signal service in the history of the world, and it's literally on your charts. And this is a warning to Gladex and everyone else out there. If you're just taking my signals when I call them, obviously, and not buying the system, that's bad karma. It's going to come back and crush you. Trust me, whether it's years later or not, you're going to figure out, you're going to look back and go, hey, what didn't I do right by that? I'll actually buy the system. I'm just saying that's what you need to do. Let me be your moral compass. But for all of you out there stealing it, what happens when I don't trade with you for a week? What happens if I quit trading? What if I only go and come on live once a month? Or like I'm going to do anyways, and the trades are open only on thing. What if I quit giving my free call outs every time? Just saying. So you might want to get it. Whereas if you have this on your charts, you can't mess this up. Ding, 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 right? By the way, it's calling for a buy. It was 30. So just think about that. All right. So tier one and tier two, we're going to correct the greatest problem I've ever heard there being too many correct signals going out. Can you imagine that? They're not wrong signals. There's too many correct signals going to the Discord room. So give us a little bit on that. You're still getting correct signals. They're always correct. They're not going to be wrong. TVB, JPY. Really? Did I call this? I think I did. TVB, JPY, JPY daily. Uh, Watch our buy stock move down as it goes down. All right. Set this signal out at shit. See, now this is pissing me off. My own writing gets in the way. Still in the way. We need to move this down to here. This is your buy stop. It's now, yeah, it's turned, it's the correct read. This is the correct read. This is now turned into a daily. This is a daily buy stop. GBP, JPY. Uh, I would look strong and hard at this. Absolutely, I would. I would be patient. Let's see the last time the daily happened. The point where it's at now. It took 11, 12, about 11 or 12 days for the last time this happened. It was just called out. So in other words, it's not going to most likely happen today. It might, but 5-10% chance. Will it happen over the next 5 to 10 days? Yeah, that's the bell curve. 15 days. Yep. Did we just look at one the other day that was 21 days? Yep. It can take time. First time it happened is the best. Second time worked out good. This is the third time. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay. So yeah, that's GBP JPY. I'm not gonna call it. Remember we were calling this shit on the way down. I just kept playing any buys. 10 minutes so 15 minutes. It usually starts to fizzle right before it gets to the 4 hour. Play any 15-second through 1 hour sell stop to the 1 hour blue line, at least towards it. Then it's just going to start fizzling, fizzling, fizzling. Then it's going to start hemorrhaging up and down, and then it's going to make its flip, and then it's going to come back up. That's what that's going to do. So that's GPB, JPY. Called out US 30, called out NAS, called out SPX, gold. Oh, gold, gold, gold. Buy stop. Any 15 seconds, your daily buy stop, so the weekly pink line goes to the blue line. The blue top. Take a look closer, see if we can snag some money out. Beautiful. You oh, I've been running my mouth. Yeah. Didn't even go down to the what, oh, three. Nope. Interesting. 3 minute sell stop on gold, at least towards forming a 2 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 2 hour buy stop on gold. I think it's still gonna dip a little. Then you're gonna see that. If not, don't play around with the lower thing. Here's our daily buy from down here. What day was this? Someone would tell me something. I wish it put an automatic timestamp. Like, there's no timestamp on this thing. Coordinates as everything else. Price, date. Oh, when that was, I don't know. That's not when it was done, though. Hmm. Damn, I wish I knew when I called that on gold. It's been several weeks, probably like 3. Verification complete on TikTok. All right. I know, right? Good morning, Dr. Mike Grego, DC. Hey, you have a new name, Mike. I guess which one is huge? That is moderator. Uncle Mike is not senior. He is the managing moderator. Arise, or Dr. Michael P. Grego. All right. So that is golden detail. We went over SPX, NAS US 30, short-term sell to the SPX blue line, long-term buys for NAS and SPX. US 30 is a 1 hour buy, I think. Oil. See if we can make some short-term easy money. Doesn't look good, doesn't look good, doesn't look good. Sell. 10-second through 1 minute sell stop to the 3 minute blue line. Sell US oil to the 3 minute blue line. Demo only to the 5 minute blue line. Then what? I think it's going to ricochet up. Then do that. But anyway, then 30-minute buy. Nope. 1 hour buy. 1 hour. I love that 1 hour buy. 2 hour sell. Look at oil. What the fuck, oil? 2 hours. We're in a 7 hour buy now from 624. I'm trying to move all this shit to the middle. There we go. 7 hour buy stop. So you're in the money on oil. Huge. Yep, not tough. That 12 hours. 12 hour now. Yeah, this is a daily buy stop on oil, so there's going to be a little bit of back and forth here. Weekly. Yeah, I like this trade actually on the buy. That's why I took it. I had one open. I believe I closed it. Am I in oil still? No, I'm still in it. Mofo. I'm still in that little thing. I'm just using a little bit to tag the trade. I was told there was no news this morning. Make sure you're paying attention to that. Oh, how cute. US oil right here. I on 4 on 7/16. So a couple of days ago, I did the buy. I know I did it just based on the daily. Yeah, that's easy peasy. There it goes. How nice. Huh, cute. Buy the system. Oh, did someone say something? Makes sense. Thank you, Jay Parker. Come on. Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it, sir. Oh, no one said anything negative? Looks like people are speaking up. Appreciate you always. Well, thank you, Johan. We are trying. We didn't realize how many signals that there would be. We didn't realize that the service Be so good and cause so many. By the way, where did that one Putz boy go that was on here saying it doesn't send out enough signals? We have too many good in a Barbie's world. All right, that's US 30 NAS SPX gold and oil. EUR USD free money giveaway. Yes, free money giveaway. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line EUR USD. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line EUR USD. 30-second sell stop to the 3-minute blue line. I like that. I think it's going to eventually do that. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Nope, nope, 2 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Nope, not down enough. 3 hour. Too high on the 4 hour. This is what it's going to do. See this shit right here? But it's gonna come down just like yesterday. So this pink line's gonna start coming down, it's gonna hook and come up. Short term, is it gonna do it fast or slow? It's gonna do a hook or all the way down. That's the only thing that ever slows anything up. Already on it. Is it below? No. I would just play a longer term buy. Go to the 2 hour, yeah. Go to the 2 hour watch. Place your buy stop right above this orange EMA you don't have. Look, we really gotta get that on your charts. But that's how I would play this. Let it dip a little if it is, sure. And then take ERUSD buy. It's going to be going up. Remember, I told you where you see. Look how close. Look how close. Look how close. That might be close enough for horseshoes and hanger names. I didn't know it went up all day yesterday. Woohoo! There you go. Let me see weekly. Oh, it isn't done. Nope, we're hitting it. Play any buy stop you can. 15-second through 12 hour to the daily blue line of ERUS hit. This price action blue line. Again, why do I have two blue lines? Blue is my mom's favorite color. And I love my mom and best mother in the history of the world. Sorry, no offense to any of you. I know we all think that, but my mom it really was. GBJPY. I already talked about that this morning. I love this buy stop. I love this daily buy stop. Let me show you why. Do we have time? Yeah, let's look. This is why I'm going to show you I love this daily buy. Let me show you a thing or two. Let me show you a thing or two. If I can. GPP. PPP. Since 2021, the last 3 years, it has gone straight up over 6,000 pips. Do, 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 do. That is why. Until it starts to flip and come down, I'm not ever going to say. Yes, I see the weekly's at its peak. The daily is not. I think it has one more push left in it at least. Strongly recommend a demo trade on GBP JPY. Put it right where I showed you, right there, and just be patient. It's going to be like the gold trade. This is the gold trade on the daily when we did it. One of our members got very impatient. I got in and it went straight down, and it did. So what? And then it went straight up, $400 an ounce. Just saying. Look, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, AUD USD forming a daily buy, 12-hour buy stop. Oh look, I already called once right here. Again, we're calling a 12-hour buy stop, forming daily buy stop. Going to drop a little bit more. AUD, USD. Let's look for some sells. Hold on. Oh shit! Buy the blue line. Hold on. Buy the blue. 5 second, 10 second, 15 second to the 30-second blue line. Oh shit! Hit the 1 minute. I don't think it's going to go to the 3 minute. No, it's not. 3 minutes. 30-minute sell. Love that 30-minute sell. 30-minute sell stop. Love it. 30-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. I do believe you're going to see it form an M. Come down, come up a little bit, hook, and then come back down. 30-minute sell stop, AUD, USD. Buy stop. 7-hour, 12-hour. See, yeah, this is why the pink line hasn't come down far enough yet. That's why it's going to sell a little bit more. Hook, come back around and go up. Yeah, oh yeah, that's why I'm holding this one. Because remember this shit right here where I kept making money, losing money, 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 and then pop, it went up. Well, now it's formed our logo right here. Price starts underneath, and then boop, boop, touch. Play any buy stops you can on AUD USD until it hits its daily or comes close to its daily blue line. Price action blue line. And again, this is why. It's got to come down here, but the price is having such a hard time. It's like a slingshot reloading. See right here, pop, and then pop, boop, and then it went up. It's going to come down here. This time I think it's going to be clean. I think it's going to come down, hook, and come right back up again. It's going to do this. I don't think we have to worry about it going back and forth. I think all you have to do is see it come down a little bit more. And then it's funny. And then you're going to see it do. This will come down a little bit more. Oop, it'll scoosh you over. Then it's going to come clean up. It's going to go to the blue line. That's how that one's going to play out in the future. That's about a 90% certainty on that one. All right. Next, XRP. Mm. Do I have the right say in telling you so? Did I say screaming at you? I don't give a fuck what you all do. I own it. 31 cents. It's a monthly buy on XRP. Do I have the right to say I told you so? Good morning, Gorov. What's up, brother? I'm glad to see you back. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. 2 days in a row, I think. Yeah, JTF6. Thank you for trying. I appreciate you, sir. Yes, hit us with line. Go, Matt, go. Can you please explain why is 30 minutes sell stop on USD? Yeah. But wait, no, I want to know, do I deserve the right to be saying I'm not kidding. Do I deserve the right to be saying I told you so on XRP before anyone else told you? Before any of this bullshit they're trying to talk about, trying to explain it away, before any news of any sort, I was telling you to buy XRP demo. Yes, an XRP. Thank you, Ryan. Yep. Yes. Yes. Okay. Just want to make sure we're all on the same page here. I've been screaming from the rooftops. Now, whether you buy or not, I don't give 2 fucks. If you would have, it was like 40 something cents back here. Well, first of all, XRP 625. But like what's his face said, since the time he's known me, I've been last 2 years, I've been saying buy XRP, and there it is. So you made from 44 cents to about 20 cents for 50% on your money. So if you'd had $100,000 in XRP, you'd have $150,000 in XRP. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, JTSX. Why is it a cell on I don't know. I'm going to say something. Why is it a cell? Okay, let's go back. I love this. Thank you for asking that question. What's that? Banner video. Let's go over to here. Let's go to 1 hour. Let's go over to here. Over to 30 minutes. Let's see if we can actually find the current time. There it is. Let's take a look. We have rules. Number one, is the blue sniper line low on the hourly? It is. Number two, is the pink line high? It is. Number three, is the blue line high matching it? And to clear, let me be clear on this. When it's a proper trade, this pink line is this blue line. The 1 hour pink line is the 30-minute blue line. Number four, is there a sell stop? Yes, there is. Put your line right here below, right where it's at. It just arched up over it. I'm going to be able to bring it. And if it comes down again, take it. Is it going to be a lot? I don't know. Is it going to go towards the blue line? 100%. If it does, cross it again. It will. So you'll make, the last time it did it was 4 pips. I don't make 4 pips a lot. Well, they only make 10 pips in a day on trading in multiple trades. If it hits proper, it'll be about 20, 25 pips, 26 pips. And that's why. Will it do it? I don't know. Are we in a higher time frame buy? Yep. But look, here's another advancement for you. Pay attention because you need to be reading your rules or you wouldn't be asking that question. What I just did for you on that setup is in your rules. Now look, if you use your daily, you can clearly see the pink line isn't low enough. It has to go down some more. I just drew this out for you. Holy shit, didn't I? This has to come down to here. When it comes down to here, then you'll start to see the hook come back in. It'll also see the gap right here. It'll make this little gap right there. And everything will be fine. If you don't want to wait, you don't want to see all this up and down bullshit, that's what you're playing. If you just want to play the long-term stuff, buy stop off of your daily with EMA you don't have right here. Just place your buy right there and right. If you don't want to play these little downs, I'm just trying to get people a little extra money on the way down as that pink line pulls away from the blue. Right? That's all I'm doing. Makes sense to everybody? Sevens, yes. Nines, no. Oh, nobody knows the troubles you guys cause. Nobody knows my sorrow. That's what they ask. I understand. You're welcome, Tanner. Awesome. Other people understand too. There you go. All right. Next, XRP. We said Ethereum. G. Life of Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. I don't know. I have 2 of these here, but the reality is this. We have a 624 and a 625 buy stop on Ethereum. Weekly, daily buy stops on Ethereum. Let me grab one of them and make it center based. Hey, we can read them now. I should have thought of that yesterday. 624 and 625 weekly buy stops when Ethereum was at basically 3,000. And Ethereum seems to be life of about up $400 to $450 a coin. Gee, is Larry here? Hey, Larry, did I call out these buy stops? Larry lives, he plays a lot of different instruments, very happy, a lot of different symbols, very happy for him. I think Larry's kind of like Kimberly Harrington. Kim loves gold. She'll play other things, but she's like a gold expert. I think Larry is very much a Ethereum expert. And there it is. Stealth. Morning, Kev. Thank you. SPX, NAS, 1 minute blue line. Nice. Congratulations, Stealth. Okay. So that's what that call out was. I know Larry took it. Hey, Larry, before they made Ethereum a non thing and it approved their EFTs, the system since 625 a month ago called that was going to happen. I'm just saying, and we all know where it's going to go to. In my humble opinion, you will see it go past up. I don't know, 3,400, 3,500 somewhere. You're going to see it go up past 4,500. In my opinion, maybe not. Has it gone up since it was last called out? First called out, I should say. And then da, 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 da. Move these. Damn. Why can't you move those fuckers? So, first called out on February 1st. You would have been in here since 1600 on Ethereum, and it just recently was at 4,000. You'd have made $2,400 a coin on Ethereum from February 1st, 2023, when the system signal service would have first called this out. Just saying. Life of Ethereum, life of Ethereum, life of Ethereum. It should technically be on these charts right here. Another daily being called actually. And it's fourth what I just called for you. Kind of ironic. The irony, right? Bitcoin. Let's see. Another time I told you so. My first monthly Bitcoin called over $70,000 on 3/8 23 over a year and a half ago. It was at 26,500. I've subsequently called it over 200 times since then on a buy. I refuse to call Bitcoin. Either you listen to me or you don't. Tough shit on Bitcoin. Now, if someone wanted to pay me off to the side and say what's going to happen to Bitcoin, I wouldn't take your money. Just listen to what I call on Ethereum. It's the fucking same thing. Matter of fact, we were going to make this symbol, an indicator on that for you. Amazon buy. Play any buy stop you can on Amazon. What's a daily one? No fucking way. Yeah, it is. This is nice. This is nice. Oh boy. You guys play any which way you want. Daily buy stop Amazon. Fuck me. Looks like it's in a trend weekly. Yeah, it's finishing up. Yep. Daily, weekly buy stop Amazon. Fuck yeah. Shit. If Amazon goes to zero, well, then the end of the world has happened. All I can tell you. Look at this. It's not as good as the W2 D2 isn't as good as the W1 D1 or W2 D1, but it's still extremely good. I would take this. Gee whiz, earnings is coming up, or has it? I don't know how to read these charts. I think earnings is coming up. I don't. That's it. Life of Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. Nice. I, 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 Ajax, Novak. Oh, glad you like the calls, Larry. You're welcome, sir. On the buys. Nice, Larry. 450 on the buys. Nice. Gradually standing O. Larry's waiting for all the pop. Maybe so. What's up? Ajaz Novak. Good morning. Hello. Let's see if Kevin calls out on US 30. Make money today like they did yesterday. Thank you. Sign up for the system. Thank you, Ajaz. Appreciate that, sir. Pull them up 2K on the day as 1 minute bingo, bako, bango. Bingo, bako, bango. You want that last third one. Okay. On the day. Nice. Standing ovation for Larry. Standing ovation for Jay Parker. Congratulations, my friends. 2,000 on the day. Fucking that is a bingo, bako, bango. 450 on Ethereum alone. That is a fucking bingo, bako, bango. All right. This is what I just can't get over this. I just have, this isn't close enough to the blue line. It is, if it was a little closer, I wouldn't be so set on it. I don't know if they're going to jerk it up or down at open and just catch this for a second and then bring it back up. I don't know. Fine. If you guys don't want to play the downs, keep doing those up. They're the 30-second ones. I know. 1 minute ones to the blue line. I get it. Here's your 1 minute. There's Nas past it. Yeah, see, I don't know. Interesting. That's fine. That's 4 hour buy stop SPX. 4 hour, 7 hour buy stop SPX. 7 hour, 12 hour buy stop NAS. And it's too far away to call any buys on US 30. What was Detus talking about? The six has to come back further. I'm not calling any buys. Look for a sell on US 30. We have to have it come down more before I can call this buy. I refuse to call it. Can't call it. If you're going to do anything with US 30 at all, go to the 2 hour. Go to the 2 hour. I'm not doing it. I'm already in like 3 or 4 US 30s. Put your buy line right here. Don't get suckered into US 30. 41,233.4. Put a buy right here. As it moves down, carry it down. But that's where I would put my buy at if I was doing. I'm not doing US 30. I want it to drop lower. Am I clear on US 30? Let it go down, follow it down, chase it down, follow it down. Just keep moving your buy stop down. Or if you're in the cells, lock in profit on the way down. Okay. At this time, I would probably put it a little lower than that. 41,213. 41,200. That might be a little too close. That might be a little too close, but somewhere be careful with US 30. It has a tendency to jump up, put you and bring you down, and you die underneath the water. So do that. I would just put it right there, like I said. It's right there. How many tips was that yesterday we got? I think it was 300. 400, but that initial push was, yeah, 300. Yeah, you're fine. We don't have to be exact. Be safe. Keep your buy 41,233. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Everyone clear on US 30, yes or no? Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer's in the house. What's up, Keith? Yo, good morning. Everyone, Keith Palmer is the great, well, yeah, what's the fuck? He's the greatest coder in the history of the world. I don't want to get him his head too big where he can't fit in his own house, but he is. Greatest coder in the history of the world. He's an even better man. I call him a friend. He's, because he is my friend. He is a good person, one of the good ones in this world. He's coding everything that you guys see. Everything you guys see, he's coding. You should say a thank you to him, give him a round of applause. Good morning, Keith. Kev, how do you know that it's going to the next line, for example? Sometimes it goes yes, all the way. I took profits early. On buys or sells, your overriding rulers is the weekly. So if I was doing a daily trade, I'd hold it until it goes to the daily. If you're talking about NAS yesterday, we go to the 1 hour. So if this was the 1 hour, right? Well, technically you can go to 4 hour too. And it came down, I would have been more than comfortable in selling somewhere around here. You close one down and you let one run. That's why we have what's called runners. They just stay open. You lock in profit, but you should open up 2 trades. Instead of opening up one large trade, say you're comfortable with 0.04. Instead of doing that, open up 2 smaller trades, 2.02s, close one down like I just showed you, and then let the other one run. Just lock in profit barely above break even, let it keep going. That way you don't have to worry about it. Good morning, Stealth. Adds to another 1 minute blue line. You're welcome, Stefan. Congratulations. What's up, Botnator? All right. Where were we? So that's US 30. NAS. Don't like SPX. That's what it's fine. If NAS does not go down and touch its blue line or get closer to its blue line that it has, I'm going to lose no sleep over it. I would play, SPX, sorry. I would play SPX buy stop off this yellow EMA, this yellow line right here. This is where I play that. Maybe it's well on it. Right, maybe that arch, right? On a 7 hour SPX. That's where I put my buy stop. Buy stop. So you're looking for a short-term sell. If it happens, yay. If it doesn't, who gives a fuck? If you don't like playing smaller time frames as it comes down, then don't. Yesterday, you could have made a shit ton of money on NAS. I did. Right? Buy SPX 7 hour right here. Are we clear? Sell to the 15-minute blue line on SPX. Buy 7 hour. I much prefer the buys. Much prefer the buys. You guys do what you want to do. I'm in long-term buys. Sevens, if you understand about SPX, and I'll go over NAS again. You're welcome, Stella. Again, if you read the rules about the runners, I think that'll help you out a lot. So many of you, it just seems like either you don't remember what you read, there's no comprehension, or you're not reading. The rules should be reviewed every day. Every day. 15-minute sell to the blue line on SPX. Buy on the 7 hour yellow line SPX. Sevens it is. All right. Next, next, it's going to look an awful lot like we created a little better entry. Watch. Very good. This is buy yesterday. All right. Little NASDAQ, good. 30 seconds, 1 minute. Yeah. 15 minutes sell, 15 minutes sell, 15 minutes sell. 32, 32 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, nope, 7 hours, 8. Nope, going down. Still coming down, still has to come down. Weekly. See, weekly has to reset too. It has to come back down. On high two. I just I would play NAS and SPX the exact same way. 15 minute sells on both to minimum. SPX is 15-minute blue line on the sniper blue line. Then I would look for entry on the buy, probably right there off the daily. A little better. Now right there. There. Yeah, there's that 12 hour. You're right there at it. That's right. So time is nope, not close enough to open. As we get closer to open, I'll make some more detailed call outs like I do. Yesterday, obviously, we made a fuck shit ton of money. A holy shit ton of money. It was amazing. That's unusual. That's ridiculous. I got more food being delivered. Delivery, 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 delivery. I do have one bit of news, just so we're all clear. I do believe the price of the sniper, as it was to $150 a month, is going to be grandfathered in. Anyone that currently has it, keeps it, can stay at $150 a month. It looks like that price is going to $250 a month on the sniper. So if you've been on the fence about getting the sniper, you might want to get it now before the price increase occurs. Again, anyone that's in the sniper paying it for it month to month, you will not have a price increase. But if you drop out for some reason and come back in, it's most likely going to start next month at 250 a month. Sorry. I probably won't bring that up unless they really care about price. So that's not keywords. That's funny, JTS6. That's funny. All right. Um, love goals, love things. All right. Please see something real quick. I'm a little annoyed. I'm reading. SPX is good, good, good. Yeah, sometimes you just have to reinstall things. Well, actually, and then put them on the right actual chart. There. Look at all the buys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buys on US 30 I called out. Look at those fucking buys. Can I do this? Yeah, why can't I do this? I can do my own damn playback. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by the time this bar hits, we're going to enter in the trade 5 times. Let's do that. So we're going to come back to here. Watch. I want to see my own playback on my own calls. This is cool. I've never done this before. This is history in the making right here. Now, how do I know which one was mine? I think this one. 10,000. This is going to be wild. Buy. Okay. And then we're going to have it go up just a little bit. Let's see it go. Okay. So these would all have been buy. So so we need to get, I'm going to do all 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see what happens. These are my call outs that I called out live with you guys. That's price. That's how much profit you're making if you went crazy and we were insane and had millions of dollars a trade. Look. So there's 5 call outs I made, 100% win rate. Don't worry about that. That's insanity. But yeah, look at that. The 5 call, that's fun to do. So the 5 call outs I made on US 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, hell, there's another one here. 6. I didn't even catch that one. We're all correct. And that's the money. That is too fucking cool. Well, of course it went up. I see that it went up. Yeah, but it's cool to see it. Almost 3,000 pips from here to here. 3,000, 2,900 pips, peeps. Pips, peeps, pips, peeps, pip squeeze. 2,900 pips on my first call out. 3,000. 2,400. 5,400. 2 of these right here. 5,400. 4,400. 9,800. 9,800. 9,800. I'm just going to say 98. So that's 90. That's 10, 11, 1,100, almost 12. Almost 12,000 pips. Probably a little over, actually. 12,000 pips on these 6 call outs I made on US 30. 12,000 pips live. Every one of these trades was written down before the trade happened. Let me be clear. If there's a trader that made more than 12,000 pips on US 30 since the beginning of June, please step forward. Give me a call. Come on my live. Let's talk. Let's see how you read the markets. Not saying there isn't. Come on and step forward and we'll have a talk. 12,000 pips on 6 trades called out before they happened, including yesterday's. Thank God, and that's pretty damn good. That's crazy. Wow. Wow. Why am I holding the trade? You all know it. It ain't done. Pink goes up and touches the blue. These are not done. In my opinion, there's going to be a pullback. Obviously, there's going to be a pretty good pullback soon. But I think we're going to keep rocking and rolling. I just think it's going to keep going. Well, if you knew that, then why didn't you trade that? And mind you, because some people are like, oh, it's only 500 in this country. It's only 1,000 in that. That's true. You're exactly fucking right. US 30 buy. US 30 buy. US 30 buy. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm only up 1,700 pips on one trade. Yeah, I only caught 1,200, 1,300 pips on this trade. I only caught 300 pips on yesterday's trade. I only caught 1,300 pips on NAS. I'm sorry. Yeah, I only have about 5 or 6,000 pips right here. You're right. Oh, why don't you live in a castle on the sea? If I wanted to live on a castle on the sea, I'd go live on a castle on the sea. Fucking care where I live. I told you my story. I used to live in a private cul-de-sac with a mayor and a senator as my neighbors. Three other people had houses in there besides us. 6,000 square foot home up, 6,000 square foot down, 6 acres in the middle of the city. I had my own private pool. It was the mayor's ex old house where my children grew up for 15 years. Had a survival bunker, 1,000 square foot survival bunker on it. Yeah, it ain't all that. Too big a house is too big a house, to be honest with you. Nice homes, quiet homes. Most of the time, no fucking. If you get a house in Vegas, even if you get 2 or 3 acres of land for a mill or whatever, it's just not private. Just Vegas is. I mean, I'm not living in the mountains. I'm not a big mountain fan. I really not. I don't like driving through them and shit. Free does that for us. So we'll end up probably just with a really nice house in a gated, quiet community in Vegas. Yeah, we get our horsey farm here somewhere in the North Georgia area, wherever. We'll probably have 50 acres plus, 100 acres plus. And we ain't having no fucking neighbors on that house. Look at that. That's amazing. Those NASA's. Look at NASA's. And from here, oops, give me the second, guys. 5 on a NAS call, 5,500 pips or more. Damn, also called out by the signal service. Damn, that's crazy. SPX. Didn't make any back then. That's interesting. 360, which is still legendary, by the way. That's insane. Here. Hmm. Gold. Yeah, see, this gold is new. We were following all these other ones. US oil did good. The RUSD. Boy, GPP, JPY. You might as well just print money with GPP, JPY. I think that buy stop on this daily is insanity for you. You're going to make so much money on that trade. Lord willing, up to God. Holy shit, is that going to be a winner? And this is my call out. 2,200 pips on GPP, JPY call. 2,200. Fuck. Nice. That's two separate buys, by the way. So that's two separate lines on Ethereum. So if it's up $400 a coin, it's actually 8. Right there. Pretty cool on that one. I like that. Let me get me started on Bitcoin. The first call was here. Okay, cool. I'm just reviewing everything, make sure I didn't make any mistakes. Which of course, thank God we did. Okay. Anybody want me to look up a symbol? Please let me know. Uh, for me, reading the markets, it's easy. But the personality, it depends all on your mindset. What's up, smoking behind? God bless you too, and everybody here. What's up, Erica? Good morning. Rereading markets, it's easy. Personality, mindset. I guess if you follow the rules of the system, it's easy for everybody, Latex. Or if you follow the signals, it's really easy for everybody. But you do have to follow the rules. As soon as you think you can trade without the rules, what you'll have your ass handed to you, and you don't have to work. Have you ever traded the Russell 2000? No, the Russell 2000. Hold up. I was limited to MT4 for the first long time on the Russell 2000. You want to do the E minis, the micro E minis, or you just want me to do this ETF thing? It says ETF of America. Which one do you want me to pull up and trade for you? Stocks above the 50-day average. Yeah, that sounds stupid as fuck. US 2000 for the land. Oh, US 2000 for UN. Atlanta. US 2000 for Alanda. Got it? So it's US Rust. They're so weird how they do this. Every fucking buddy. I'm pretty sure if I'm going to gather my guess on this, that this is going to be exactly like a NAS or an SPX or a US 30. Yeah, it's US 30. Just what they do. Yeah, US 30. Let me see longer term. Yeah, so this must be a mini US 30 or vice versa. Yeah, they're almost identical. Let me pull this thing up here. How do you get that thing to slide? See, I can get it to slide a little bit, but then it won't keep sliding. Damn. Come on, slide. There we go. Let's go back and forth. Yeah, virtually identical. So technically, you can start making some plays off of the Russell with the call on that on US 30. Isn't any closer. Seem to dip a little more there. Okay, well, let me call it out and then I'm gonna take it off. All right. Russell 2000, US 2000. Let's see what she looks like. Negative, negative. Getting there you go. 3 minute. Play any 15 second through 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute towards the 5 minute blue line. I'm sure there's a buy stop higher time frame right here. Yeah. On Russell 2000, US 2000, whatever the fuck it is. Forming a, yeah, there it is. 1 hour. I love this better. Let me make sure on our 4 hours. It reads beautifully off the charts though. 4 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour, daily. Daily's already high. 4 hour. Wow, whoa, 4 hours of buy. Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Sell stop, what I said, buy stop, 4 hour off this EMA you guys don't have. Somewhere around there, if you can read that, you can see that. That's my entry point for the Russell 2000 on the 4 hour chart. Daily, it's already done a daily. It just did a daily. Gee, US 30 just did a daily. Look, daily, 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 daily. Green, 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 red, green, green, broken box. Look at your buys being called out by the signal service. US 30, look at the buys being called out by the signal service. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy. See this up pattern? Let me zoom in a little bit. Maybe it's hard to understand what you're looking at. Let me show you right here. Let me focus your focus into this area right in here. Watch what you're looking at right here. This area right in here is US 30. I stop being called. Look at the green, 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 red, green, green. Blue line low. See how it went up? This is your Russell 2000. I knew it would be the same because it sounded like one of those fucking index things. It might be good. I don't know. I'm not saying it's not good. I'm just saying it sounded like it. Green, 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 red, broken box, green, green. See your little buys right here on the signal service. Price went up right there. So they're virtually identical. And that's it. So that's how I'd read this longer term. What's it going to do? And yeah, look at this shit. Look at the, okay, everyone now, let's focus our focus in completely way. When I'm right, it's just amazing. Let's not talk about any times I'm wrong. Look, right here, look at this. Blue line high, oh, blue line high, pink line low, but look at the little hook it does right here. It's so fucking cute. This is US 30. Watch Russell. Do they not even know how to draw things differently anymore? Is that what I'm seeing? I swear, the AI is so smart, blah, blah. No, it isn't. Look, it can't even draw things any differently on different symbols. Look, there, 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 there. Oh, but the purple line, the violet line's up. No, it isn't. It's just barely there. It is. Look at the pink and the blue. They can't even vary it. Look, look, look. Which one is it? Which one is it? I'm changing it back and forth. You guys can't tell. Yeah, I'm sure the US 2000, the Rust 2000 is something totally different than US 30, except it's not. There it is. Just saying. They're so full of shit. Don't get me started. What kind of scams? That got me started. I'm not going to go on it. But anywho, that's my read of the Russell 2000. I'm going to get rid of this. How do I get rid of this thing? Trash it over here. Okay, cool. Hope that helps you. Funny at Jackson Andre. It's called market manipulation. And it's funny in the fact that they're scamming us. That's what's funny about it. ICAP, please advise, how do I upgrade from tier one signals to tier three? Just write a nicely worded email, Raymond, to Bree, and she will get it done to you when she wakes up in a little bit here. Just send an email to Bree Raymond, JW Tan, and she will upgrade you, send you a link to upgrade. It's a $200 more a month, but she'll upgrade you. You're welcome, Jackson. SPX. SPX. I've been reading SPX all morning, but I'll do it again here in a little bit right before open. Yeah, so the Russell, whatever that was, is is uh is a clone of US 30. It's just what they do. There's so many things they can do. Before market news, they'll try, or at market news, whatever the news is, whatever days. If it was going up, they'll pull it down, click everybody's contract, and move it up again. Oh, that's a new move. Then what do? They create a W or they create a triple bottom. Oh, that's new. Uh, That's all. You just wait. You just hold it. Look at this. Look at these. I'm just saying, to make these calls live. You know how hard it is to trade by yourselves? You know how hard it is to trade every day by yourselves? And then try to have it where I would say about two, 300 here, another 100 there. Anywhere from 500 to 1,000 people a day watch my videos at any given time. And on the lives, we have at least 60, 70. We usually burst up to 70, 80 people on YouTube, another 30, 40 on TikTok right before open. So you're talking about live trading in front of, I don't know, 100, 150, 200 people any given day. Yep. Good luck on that. But here it is. Buy, 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 buy. I don't really, one of these days when I have some money to throw away and throw around and I don't care about it, I got to get like those guys uh, with the oil people over there. So I don't care, but I care. I just can't waste money. But eventually, I want the rights to the, not the rights. I want to be able to use their music. Bye, bye, bye. And then we can play that. Because remember when Bree would sing the cute little Dora the Explorer song, Bye, Stop, Bye, Stop? It was so cute. All right, what time is it? About 20 minutes to market open. About 15 after, maybe 17 after, we'll start doing some closer reads for you so we can get some, make some more money this morning. SPY is SPX. They're the same. I'm not doing anything different for those. Da 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 da. Bye bye bye. Let me go to SPX real quick. Oh, I'm so used to doing MetaTrader 4. That's funny. Yeah, we're right there at that edge. I'm going to put my buy stop in for SPX. Make sure we're ready. Sell stop's already in place for SPX. Buy stop is in place for SPX. I'll go into that trade a little bit more here in a minute. We call out gold right now. Sell 10 seconds, 15 seconds sell, 30 seconds sell just happened, 1 minute sell just happened, 3 minute. Play any 15 sec, play any 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stop to the 3 minute blue line towards the 3 minute gold blue line. It's not, I don't think it's going to be a big drop at all. I could be wrong, but I just don't think so. Buy stop gold. Play it off of the, so do the short term sell. That's fine. You like playing around there and it gives you a thrill and a rush, do it. Feel free. 2 hour, 2 hour buy, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Hold on. 4 hour buy. 4 hour buy gold, but it isn't low enough yet. Let that drop down more. You can enter in off the 2 hour line right here that you guys don't have right here on gold. As gold dips, move your entry, your buy stop down with it. Okay. Enter gold off of a 2 hour buy. There is a called 15-second, well, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell to the 3 minute blue line on gold. Price action, 3 minute blue line on gold. But I'm telling you, I do like this buy better. So if you're patient, It's a 4-hour one, meaning it'll either break, um, it's either going to go down now, right? Or you're going to see at 10:15, it's going to break and move up. There we go. I think it's moving down at its peak. We need it to go below this 3-hour one right here. Yeah. Gold buy off the 3-hour EMA, you do not have what you see on my chart. You'll have it soon. Just you haven't gotten to that. You're in the money on the sells on gold. 10-second, 15-second, 30-second. I just called out. Yep. Uh, Going towards the blue line. I'm not sure it's going to hit it, but I think it might. It's going to get real close. You're in the money on it nonetheless. And that's gold. I'm going to go right after market open. I'm leaving. So there's that. Gonna be the one. Bye, bye, bye. What you pass that license. All right. Almost to the point where I might start pulling out some of the other ones. Let's see. Let's see if I can do. I used to love ERUSD when I was doing my. Oh, there you go. 3-minute touch. There you go. ERUSD touches 3-minute blue line on a sell stop. Perfection. Just beautiful on that. Oil, ricochet. Oil. What the fuck's up with this 3-minute line? Sell stop oil. Put it right below this orange one. Maybe it goes up a little higher. The yellow. Sell stop. Let it come back down. Ricochet. Come back down to the 3-minute blue line. Price action blue line on oil. Yeah, it's got to come back up and reset now. It's going to be a minute. And by the way, gold's a long-term buy, so don't get comfortable with that. So gold, 1-hour buy stop. I love the buy on gold. Love, 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 love. You want to play the sell? Feel free. Yeah, I love the buy. So how far have we got here? US 30 stretching out to its 3-minute blue line. Good. See, what you guys see as big movements on the 30 seconds, as I point out pretty much every day, is squat. It is jack crap. It's a dot. It's a speck. On the 1 hour, it's even less than a 4 hour. It's even way less on a daily. So, no, nothing there. 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute buy, 30, 30, 30, 1 hour. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Wait, it's US 30. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. I love the buy on US 30 as much as I love the buy yesterday on US 30. Hint, hint. Come on. Don't we have some alarm set? What the fuck? Yeah, I do. SPY, please. Nope. It'll be just follow SPX. Same thing. Don't forget, Bree and I are senior stand ambassadors. Stands are just like this is your interrupted thing. Senior stand ambassadors is much like Shopify, just different mainly for people. Oh, there we go. We have a alarm going off. Okay. We are senior stand ambassadors. We have 3 stores with them. They're hugely successful. Let me just tell you, they're hugely successful. Yeah. I alluded to how much we make per month just from the stores. It's insanity. It's insanity. Um, I used to make with 3 gyms an insane amount of a number per month with 3 gyms. What we make is is more than the 3 gyms combined out of the 3 stores, and there's no brick and mortar. We have 2 independent contractors that work with us. There's no storefront. There's no fucking 30 employees, 50 employees. There's no fucking healthcare for the employees. There's no nothing. There's no rent from greedy ass landlords that actually fix everything. Fuck out of here. All right. I love the buy stop. Let it dip down at open. So I should just leave. I don't have one of these drawings up over here somewhere. Bye, bye, bye. This is what I want US 30 to do, and I already like it. I might even go in yet. I can't keep doing that though. Right here. This is where it is. I hope it dips down a little bit more to maybe the green line, and then that's what we'll see afterwards. This is US 30. I wish I could label these things. Maybe I should have like US 30 a color and then NAS a color. No, anyhow. NAS, not the same. NAS. I'm sorry. I'm still calling NAS a 15-minute sell. I'm still calling. I told you I was going to do the W thing. I'm still calling. It's already risen up on the pink. Sell for SPX. Still calling it. Whether or not it happens, I don't give two fucks. SPX sell to the 15-minute blue line. I would play any. Hell, it's going back to the 10-minute blue line. If it doesn't, so let me be clear. NAS SPX sells 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute sells until it hits its 15-minute blue line or it gets at least close. If it doesn't do that, do your buys. Okay? 2 steps to those. US 30, I'm not going to call the sells. I'm just calling the buys, period. I like it. I told you what time frame to put your buy on. That's it. US 30 is a buy. I'm not calling anything else for US 30 at open. Won't call a sell, even though it might go down. I don't give a fuck. If you want to play the downs this morning, you can go over to SPX and NAS. I like SPX better, but SPX or NAS for the sells. Short-term sells. I'm going to get a little more focused in on the 3-minute here in just a second. Then after that, look for your longer-term buys on SPX on the 4-hour mark, NAS on the 7-hour, and NAS on the 12-hour, NAS on the daily. Yeah, I did say daily, didn't I? That's right. NAS daily, but I don't see they're not down low enough. I don't like the daily pink line isn't low enough on NAS. I don't like that the SPX down blue line doesn't have to go all the way down. I realize I already did twice. I'm just saying for my taste and purposes, these aren't low enough. I just think SPX has to drop more out of the two. So that's why I'm choosing SPX as my bigger sell and not NAS. Other than that, I love me the buy on US 30. I love the buy on US 30. I love the buy on US 30. I hope I'm clear. Do I love the buy on US 30? I do. Everybody clear on those medium to longer term trades for US 30, NAS, and SPX? Yes or no? Good morning, Kevin. What program do you use for your screen drawings? Oh, the best thing in the world. Do I have time? Yeah. I love this place. It's ice cream. 7 minutes to market open. Ice cream recorder. Right here, ice cream apps. This one. You click on it. It's free. The drawings they give you, if all you want to do is not record, which I recommend using it and buying it anyways. But if you just get the free download, you can use all these drawing tools for free. So it's icecreamapps.com and it'll look orange like this. Fucking incredible. I love it. I have zero. I don't make anything from referring you there. I don't like affiliate links. Fuck that shit. It's just a good fucking company and a good fucking program, a great program. So that's what I use. You're welcome, Mike. Good morning, China Bowman. Good morning. Okay. Yeah, I love the drawing. They're just amazing. Look, even blur shit out. I love this. Look. Zoop. It blurs fucking shit out. It is so fucking cool. Huh. Well, anywho, back at it. Gonna be the one. Da-da-da-da-da. 3 minutes. Let's see what we shall see. See what we shall see. Sure looks like a fucking buy from C to signing C. Yeah, 3 minute buy. 1 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop now. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. Yeah. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. SPX off the yellow line. This is going to be fun. I'm going to watch all three. I don't like Nas's buy as good, but it's still a buy. Buy stop. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. NAS off the 3 minute blue line. US 30. It's a sell. That's funny. I don't care. I like the hourly. So if it doesn't break and open on US 30, look for it to break at around 10:15. If it doesn't break then, look for it to break about 2:15. That's what I would be doing with US 30. Take those to the bank, just listen and watch. Now, market open. Don't play market open. If you're going to play it, demo trade only like you always do on everything I tell you. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. Next, this is for educational purposes only. It's not even for that, it's for fucking fun. If you're going to still play it, lock in profit on all your trades. And if you think you're going to try to keep up with me, you better move fast as fuck, boy. I move up, I move down, I get in and out. I'm in and out in trades in the same candle on a fucking 30-second candle sometimes. I'm not playing around. I'm not playing around. If I call something, I'm going to call it quick. I'm going to be in. I'm going to be fucking out. Period. Period. Yeah. So that NAS is tempting. Do I want to get in again? See, now I already have a buy off the 12 hour. I'm good. I do like that. I do like the 3 minute SPX. All right. We're going to have market open in just a matter of 3 minutes. You can put your buy lines in, your sell lines in where I told you. Yep, there it is. 3 minute market open. 3 minute market open. 3 minutes to market open. Don't play it. Sit back and watch and learn. I trade intra candle. I'll be doing a buy or a sell on a fucking 30-second candle, a 15-second candle. I'll be getting it out super fast. Usually there's some kind of lag. You might not even be able to hear me in time. Be very, very careful if you're trying to keep up with me. 15-minute sell SPX. 15-minute NAS sell. Buy 1 hour US 30. Buy SPX 3 minute. Buy NAS 3 minute to the blue line. That's what I'm fully expecting to happen. If you don't, in other words, if you don't like 1 minute trades, go to the 15-minute charts. If you don't like 15-minute trades, go to the fucking 1 hour charts. If you don't like those, then get in the weekly buy on US 30. Sit back and fuck around. Don't even talk. Because the weekly trades take days. Hell, the daily trades take days. The 4 hour trades can take hours and hours and a couple days. We're not trading that way. We're trading fast and furiously. Be ready to get in and out, in and out, in and out. When market open hit, I don't want to hear any fucking whining. No fucking, this is going to be quick. Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy. Good morning. It's the ice cream recorder. That's what the name is, J. Cole. J. Cole, are you the rapper that does that one song I love? Here we go. Here we go. All my life. All my life. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Buckle up. I'm going to be watching all three this morning. We're going to be looking for a buy on US 30. We're looking for a buy on NAS, a buy on SPX, short term. Then, if they kick in, if they don't give me this push up right here on NAS and SPX, look for your sell on SPX and NAS up to 15 minutes. I have my buy and set up for SPX. If you see one of my trades, it'll be an SPX trade this morning. I told you where to put them. Here we go. Let's 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 go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get some big money. Big money. Wheel of Fortune money. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't think they're going to give us the one. All my life. Oh, what a dud opening. What a dud opening. Come on, do better. Buy stop, SPX. Do it off the red line. Buy stop, SPX. Is this a fucking opening? This shit sucks ass. Oh my gosh. This is the opening. Yeah, I do like this 15-minute sell on SPX. Come on. Give me at least a fucking buy on the fucking 3-minute. Oh, this is nothing. Is US 30 going up at least? What the? It didn't even fucking move. Where's all the fucking movement? Is today a holiday? What the hell shit is this? There's your SPX. You should be engaged on your sell on your SPX. Sell stop SPX is in the money. What the fuck? Oh, this is compared to yesterday. This is what the hell are they doing? Buy NAS 100 off the red line. Buy stop. But I mean, what? It's like a snail's opening. What? Is this an opening? Is this 9:30? What the fuck? Oh, come on. Give me a break. All right, I'll leave you with this. 15-minute sell stop towards the blue line of SPX. NAS. I'm not going to call it. US 30. Buy stop 1 hour. 1 hour buy on US 30. All my life. Trying to keep me down. They've been trying to get all my life. Buy US 30. All my life. Sell SPX towards this 15-minute blue line. Oh my, it's gonna flip though. And then NAS is gonna turn into a buy too. All right, I'm done. I'm out of here. What a waste of fucking time. I traded through open and didn't even fucking move. Maybe they're going to hold the move at 10:15. All right, TikTokers, any questions before I go? Any YouTubers? Any no whammies? Any questions before I go? They're scared, says JTF6, right? Wow, that's bad. That is bad. That is bad. Out of all of them, I do like that SPX cell to the blue line. I just do. Oh my life. Trying to keep me down. They're trying TikTok, I'm out of here. God bless you all. I probably won't be back on later today. YouTubers, any questions before I go? You too, Greg. Have a great day. Wow, that was a dud. That was a fizzle. That was a I'm so what the hell was that kind of opening? Pitiful. Thank you. Excellent live. Thank you, Jay Parker. Have a great day. Thanks for the link. Nice. Getting some tubing. That's awesome, Jay Parker. Yeah, we're gonna go. I forgot what we were doing. Run around somewhere. All right. God bless you all. Thank you all. Sorry, that sucked. That was a shitty opening. I don't know why I'm apologizing. They're the ones that picked us, but yeah, that was bad. Sangoon. Thank you, Sangoon. God bless you. All right. God bless you all. Jan, you, Kim, you too. Jason. Thank you all. Wow. That was pitiful. Jeez. Is today a holiday? I swear to God, it's not. All right. God bless, guys. Take care.